everybody, welcome back. It's Justy, and today I am so super excited because not only do I get to open a box for a wig for one of my favorite characters on the planet, I get to open a box for a wig from one of my favorite brands on the planet. So it's just like a double whammy. It's just a good day. I have been making Anna's outfit from Frozen 2 for quite a while now, I'll admit. My progress was definitely slowed when everything went into lockdown and I could no longer find the fabric covered buttons that I needed, but I acquired some when a local fabric store finally got a website, so I will be back on track with that and working hard as soon as I find the motivation. But I'm hoping today's unboxing will really kick that motivation into gear because my Anna Frozen 2 wig is here and I just know it's gonna be stunning. This is from the same wig seller who did my Anna from Frozen 1 look. Although they were under a different name then, this is now Evermore Wigs, which I am super stoked about. The wig that I got from Evermore was beautiful. It only takes a little bit of nice brushing and a bit of a rebraid whenever I wear her to restyle, nothing difficult. The bangs have held up over these years and honestly, it is such a gorgeous color. Everything about it was incredibly perfect, so I knew when I was doing second Anna, I needed another Evermore wig. And luckily, it happened. I did have to wait quite a bit for this one, although no fault at all of the seller. I ordered before COVID exploded, but then everything got very much delayed when all that happened. So I have no problem at all with the fact that it did take a little while to get shipped to me and then to actually come to me. The post is not at all Evermore's fault, so whatever. And honestly, my outfit's not even done, so I couldn't even be mad about it. Couldn't even. But here she is in her box marked fragile on every single side, so hopefully the postman got the picture that it was very fragile. And let's open her up and take a look. Let's see the beauty. Lots of tape to keep her safe. I appreciate that. Oh, okay, well. It's pink fluff again. Or packing peanuts, that's what they're called. Which is just as cute as last time, and I'm so excited they're still pink. I wasn't sure if they were gonna be, but that's great. And I have got the Evermore Wigs advertisement card. With sticker! Oh my god. Oh my god. That is exciting. As we all know, I just recently filled in a sticker book. I have a new sticker for it now. But also probably really important is there is actually maintaining your wig information on the back of this card because a lot of people, this might be their first wig other than buying like a Arda in-bag wig and kind of using just like that. So there generally are things you gotta do to keep wigs like this very nice. It's a bit of extra maintenance, but definitely worth it. I feel like it's weird that there's just this big giant box in front of me, so I'm going to move it slightly to the side. Once again, like last time, I'm just going to have to make a bit of a mess and take the peanuts out, I guess, to get to her, because otherwise if I just reach in, they're going to like explode everywhere. Can I like hold on to her, but maybe dump? You know who's got the best packing peanuts? Lush. They're edible. Okay, is there like enough? I think there's enough out that I can maybe reach in now. Yeah. We're good. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here she comes. Oh. Ah! Hot tip for your wigs. Don't immediately knock them over. But she's okay. Let's get the peanuts out from around her beautiful face. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with her after, like for storage. My first Anna wig sits on her head, but not in a box. But my Rapunzel wig does sit back in her box. So we'll see how I feel and like what type of storage I have. The Rapunzel wig though is packed with paper, which I can constantly put back around to keep it safe. I can't be messing around with these peanuts every single time. So we'll see. I think until at least I wear her for sure, she's probably gonna go back in this box, sans peanuts. But we'll see what happens. So here she is upon arrival. You have a net on the outside covering the whole head and the curls at the back, all pinned up at the front. Then we have a plastic bag underneath. Then you go direct to hair, no further net. The straps are pinned to the side of the neck here, so she is secure. This, with all the peanuts and everything, your girl is getting to you beautifully. Now I gotta take this all apart and I gotta remember kind of how it's pinned and set up so I can put it at least somewhat back the same way. Here are her curls, loose and free without the net. Very beautiful. The fibers are already quite soft, I can tell. Minimal frizz. There's obviously a little bit of flyaway, but that is always going to happen with this sort of thing. Honestly, I think it makes it look a bit more natural anyway. Nobody's curls are perfect. That's just not the way it goes. And she's been on an adventure, okay? Her hair is not going to be meticulously coiffed. It is going to be a bit of a mess. So I'll lay those out flat behind the wig head as I take the rest off. Now I'll tell you, honestly, there is a lot of pins in this, which is great for traveling. I will probably not put quite as many pins back in when she's just sitting, because it just, like, the plastic just needs to be held down. And I don't have the brain power to meticulously remember where every single one of these went. So pins that hold down like the wig to the head under the bag, I absolutely always put those ones back in 100%. But everything else I'm a little more loosey-goosey about. There she is, fresh from the plastic. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. Okay, look at the back with the gorgeous braid. We got a bit of a bobby pin showing right there, but one little tuck and she's gone. Don't even matter. The sides are so lovely. Oh my god, she is so beautiful. I am so stoked. This truly has ignited the fire again to get my butt working on Anna. Okay, let's get her off and on my head. And here she is on. Okay, so first up, again, beautiful, beautiful, totally accurate color. I am in love with this red. I love wearing this red. I think I look great in it. I love the way I looked with the braids. I love the way I look with this. Amazing. You truly know Anna's red. Curls are a little more ringletty than perhaps you might see in the show, which obviously you can brush out a little bit if you don't like that look. I quite like them, and I think it keeps it looking nicer, so honestly I'll probably leave them. Especially since I'll probably have like this, like one behind, one in front. It's not going to look like that much. And it's cute. It's really cute. And I seem to remember us having a conversation about the curls, and I agreed that I did like this, so very happy with that. I think overall it's a good look for her. The bangs were very jarring for me. They are beautifully done. They're done pretty much, I think, exactly like the old school bangs on the first wig, so I know they're going to stay really, really well. I have just never had bangs shorter than my eyebrows in my life. And my wigs don't have bangs shorter than my eyebrows. So I will admit, when I first put this on, I was not stoked. But that is 100% the way her bangs look in the movie. So this is very accurate and very correct and very beautifully done to what it is. And I think I just need to more get used to that. It's like when people started having the bangs that were really, really tiny up here instead of full bangs. It was a bit jarring at first. So I'm going to get there. My roommates have assured me it does not look bad, and I believe them. I don't think I look bad, and this isn't a bad wig. So I'm sure, like they said, when I put the full face of makeup on, got the outfit on, it's going to feel a lot better because I won't be looking at me with shorter bangs. I'll be looking at Anna with shorter bangs. That makes sense. So I will be okay with this. And like I said, this is the way they should be done. So it is beautiful. It's just not quite what Justine is used to. I have got it so the clips are not, or the adjustment straps. The adjustment straps are not sunk in. It is just loose right now. This is full size. And there are no like clips inside the wig to dig into your hair or wig cap, so just be aware of that. But it sits very nicely. I may have to put 1 or 2 pins in to keep it to stay, which is normal with wigs, but I don't love doing it on styled wigs because every time you pull a bobby pin out, you risk like loosening hair and I hate that. But I could probably put it in spots like right underneath the braid crown and everything that it would be fine. So I'm not too worried about it. The hair is really soft for wig hair. Obviously it's never going to be perfect, but it's definitely not irritating the heck out of me. It is warm because there's a lot of hair, so be prepared for that. But that's the same with any long wig. That's just the way it is. She's not giving me a headache so far, so that's great. There is a really nice skin top up here, which is great. Looks very natural. I love the wig. I knew I would. Evermore does amazing wigs. It's me and my weird hang up that I gotta get over these bangs. I'll turn so you can see the back while I'm wearing it if you would like. Is it looking good? Do we like it? Yeah, we do. So there she is. I, once again, am very, very satisfied with an Evermore wig, like I knew I would be. They are worth the cost for sure, and not even the most expensive princess wigs out there, which I think is amazing considering the incredible quality you get and how lovely the stylist is truly. I am stoked to get working on Anna again. I will be doing that along with the other project I have going. And I'm excited to see this on with the whole outfit with, you know, the proper face on so me and the bangs can get a little more friendly. Although I'm definitely hating them a little bit less than when I first put it on. I'm adjusting. So I will absolutely be ordering from Evermore Wigs again. No question about that next time I do a princess. Love, love, love the wigs, and I 100% recommend if you're looking for some beautiful princess wigs, please check them out. Totally worth your time. And that's it for our unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. I am certainly happy to finally have Anna here in my home where I will love and care for her forever. And I'm looking forward to finally getting the cosplay done so I can go out and wear it. I have been working so hard on it. She's almost there. Let me know your favorite place to buy princess wigs, and if you've ever tried Evermore wigs. I would love to see photos if you have. I want to see how everybody does them up. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching today, everybody. I will see you in the next one. Bye!